Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change a message in Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're going to find chats, people, and lastly, stories. So right now we're gonna go to chats. And right here in chats, you're going to find all of your conversations. So right now, I'm going to enter this conversation. So basically, guys, once you're here inside of the conversation, you can send any message that you want. So we're going to click right here and type a message. For example, I'm going to click on, or I'm going to type hello. As you can see, guys, now I sent the message. If you want to change or edit this message, you can just hold, click on it, and then you can click on more right here. Then once you do that right here, you're going to find forward, edit, bump, and remove. So right now, we're going to click on edit. And then once you click on edit, as you can see, guys, right now, you can change this message to anything else that you want. So for example, I'm going to type tutorial. And then if you want to save your change, just click on the little icon right here. And as you can see, guys, now the message has been changed. So basically, guys, once you change your message, as you can see, guys, on top of the message, you're going to find a little text that says the message is edited. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.